Listen closely, because what I'm about to tell you might be the most important message of your entire life. There's a version of you that always gives up, a version that quits when things get hard, a version that stops the moment discomfort shows up, a version that chooses excuses over progress, distractions over discipline, and fear over faith. And if you don't kill that version of yourself, it will destroy your future. Today, we end that cycle. Today, you stop being the person who always gives up. Today, you become the person who finishes what they start. Let's be honest. You don't give up because you're weak. You give up because no one ever taught you how to stay when things get hard. You were taught to avoid pain, to avoid failure, to avoid discomfort. And now every time life pushes you, you break. But hear me well. Growth hurts, change hurts, discipline hurts, but nothing hurts more than being stuck in the same place year after year because you quit every time it matters. You're not failing because you're incapable. You're failing because you leave before the miracle happens. Giving up is not an event. It's a habit. A silent habit you built slowly without even noticing. You quit the gym, you quit your goals, you quit reading, you quit routines, you quit dreams you once loved, and now your brain thinks quitting is normal. Every time you say, "I'll try again tomorrow," your mind learns weakness. Every time you say, "I can't," your spirit loses power. Every time you quit, your identity becomes the person who never follows through. And identity creates destiny. If you want a different destiny, you need a different identity, a stronger one, a disciplined one, a committed one. You keep giving up because you avoid pain, but here's the truth. The pain you avoid becomes the prison you live in, and the pain you face becomes the strength you walk with. You want confidence? Face discomfort. You want success? Face failure. You want discipline? Face your excuses. You want growth? Face the version of you that always quits and defeat him. Understand this. You are not supposed to feel ready. You are not supposed to feel motivated. You are not supposed to feel comfortable. Growth does not feel good, but staying the same feels much worse. Let me give you the truth that will change your life. You don't overcome quitting with motivation. You overcome quitting with systems. Number one, start small, but finish everything. Even if the task is tiny, finish it. You are rebuilding your identity. Small wins build big confidence. Number two, remove the escape doors. Stop giving yourself backup plans. Burn the bridges that lead you back to old habits. Number three, do it especially when you don't feel like it. This is where champions are born, not in motivation, but in resistance. Number four, track every win. Your brain needs proof that you're changing. Write down your victories. They become fuel. Number five, embrace boredom. Winners repeat the same actions every day. Consistency creates greatness, not excitement. Number six, commit publicly. Tell someone your goal. Accountability kills laziness. Number seven, treat discipline like self-love. You are not punishing yourself. You're saving yourself. Close your eyes for a moment. Picture the version of you who never quits. The version who wakes up early, who sticks to routines, who respects discipline, who keeps promises, who finishes everything he starts. That version exists. He's not a fantasy. He's waiting for you. He's watching you. He's begging you to stop quitting. And every time you choose excuses, you kill that version of yourself a little more. But every time you choose discipline, every time you choose to keep going, you come closer to becoming him. Imagine how powerful you'd be if you simply stopped quitting. Imagine how many goals you'd reach. Imagine the respect you'd have for yourself. Imagine the life you would build. You don't lack potential. You lack persistence. Success is not complicated. It's not mysterious. It's not magical. Success belongs to the person who refuses to give up, the person who gets knocked down 10 times and stands up 11, the person who doesn't run from discomfort, who doesn't fear hard work, who doesn't quit when the world says stop. Success is simply the reward for consistency. So stop looking for perfection. Stop waiting for motivation. Stop searching for the right moment. The right moment is when you decide to stop quitting. If you want a different life, you must become a different person. Your old habits can't take you to your new future. Your excuses can't build your dreams. Your quitting spirit can't carry your destiny. Today is the day you bury the old you. Today is the day you rise. Today, you stop being the person who always gives up, because your future deserves a stronger version of you, and that version begins right now.